Artificial intelligence is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. It is already having a major impact on our lives, and its influence is only going to grow in the coming years and the years to come. AI is a broad term that refers to machines that can learn and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems are trained on large amounts of data, and they can use this data to make predictions and decisions. AI is already being used in a wide variety of ways, including self-driving cars, facial recognition software, medical diagnostics, spam filtering, product recommendations, stock trading. Before we proceed on into the video, guys, as you're coming in, please hit that thumbs up button. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is what helps me, so I really would appreciate it. Again, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. How AI will affect America. AI is expected to have a major impact on America in the coming years. It is estimated that AI could create up to 24 million new jobs in the U.S. by 2030. However, it is also estimated that AI could displace up to 14 million jobs at the same time period. Something that you should really keep in the forefront of your mind. The net impact of AI on employment is still uncertain. However, it is clear that AI will have a significant impact on the way we work. AI is already automating many routine tasks such as data entry and customer service. This is likely to lead to job losses in these particular sectors. However, AI is also creating new jobs in areas such as AI development, machine learning, and data science. How AI will affect jobs. Again, how AI will affect jobs. AI will affect jobs in a number of ways. First, it will automate many routine tasks. This will lead to job losses in sectors such as manufacturing, customer service, and transportation. Second, AI will create new jobs in areas such as AI development, machine learning, and data science. These jobs will require high levels of education and skill. Third, AI will change the way that we work. For example, AI will be used to create personalized learning experiences for students, to provide real-time feedback to employees, and to develop new products and services. As we conclude this video, the rise of AI is a major challenge for America. However, it is also an opportunity to create new jobs and to improve our lives in many ways. However, with this statement that I just made in the research that I did, I disagree, because I feel that AI is pretty much going to take over the job that you once had. So keep that in mind. And that's another reason why I am doing this video. It is important or vital to start preparing for the future of work today. This means investing in education and training, developing new skills that will be in demand in the future. Now, I really like this statement, because with AI technology growing, it's definitely going to take over your job as you knew it. All of that old way of doing things on a job is over with. So you need to learn new skill, and you need to be ahead of the AI technology so you won't be affected by this growing and trending technology. Here is additional information that I want you to think about as we're coming to a close. Here are some specific examples of how AI is already affecting jobs in America. Self-driving trucks, are expected to displace millions of truck drivers in the coming years. AI-powered chatbots are being used to replace customer service representatives. AI is being used to automate many tasks in financial sectors such as stock trading and risk assessment. AI is being used to develop new software that can automate many tasks in the legal and medical professions. If you are concerned about how AI will affect your job and career, the best thing you can do is start preparing for the future of work today. This means investing in education, training, and developing new skills that will be in demand in the future. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you, and I'm out.